We introduced the waterproof micro switch WS2 based on the KW3A. Let's look at its dimension first. WS2 continues the KW3A. Higher temperature, high life. Greater current after these advantages. Wearing the shield and sheath. To become an IP67 level micro switch. The case is made of integral injection molding, which reduces the gap and improves the waterproof effect. The 6 mm depth of the dispensing groove is effectively waterproof. The internal components adopt the overall structure of drawer. Simple and reliable, the switch stability is effectively improved. WS2 internal structure summary. With a variety of levers. Provides solder terminal and wire terminal. Can be used in environmental resistant requirement applications such as automobile, agricultural machine, large home appliance, office equipment, etc. Dominant micro switch.